Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Tapos nandito na naman kayo. Kakanta tayo ng free. Ito, bibilisan muna natin. Yung sa sa free. Pero kay Gino lang. Kaya ko yun. Ito lang. First, tapos na pa normal.
Oh, that is bad. I lose respect. I hope that yours. I just forget. You make to a lot me, I work very good. I do wake up, sports me, I work very good. This is bad, you know, my time. And I'm trying to worry, this is hard. It's easy, I wait, you know, way you do. I'm just in my water, give back to what is right.
At dahil yun. Ito naman. Normal. Para mag-limit. Ito. Pangalawa. Ito pa, next. Pangalawa.
Oh, time is bad. I lose respect. I hope belly hurts. I just forget it. You make to a lot me, I work very good. I do wake up, sports me, I work very good. Yeah, it's funny, rather much right, that's mine. And I'm trying to worry, but you know, it's easy, I wait, you know, it's easy, way you do. I'm just in my water, give back to what is right.
Last one na lang to. Last one na kanta na free kay Gino. Teka lang. Gusto niyo makita? Ha? Gusto niyo? Sige, eto na. Eto na. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, time is bad. I lose respect. I hope belly hurts. And I just forget it. Sweet victor and dark me, I work very good. And you make so much sparks me, I work very good. When you pass you and the monster bag bags on my hand. And no choice what in the bush keeping looks so low. It's easy, I'm with you, no easy me, what you do. I'm chosen, but what if you got back to what is it feel like? Ayun na, gusto niyo matuto kayo? First, mag-like and subscribe. Isend nyo to sa mga friends nyo. Pero, wag sa mga nyo. Pero, kung gusto nyo isend nyo to sa friends nyo, o i-share nyo to. Tapos, like and subscribe and share. Tapos, kung mag-like ka kung hindi ka marunong. Mag-subscribe ka kung marunong ka. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye!